it's Miss Julie from Miss Julie's Virtual Preschool and Crafts, and I'm here to show you how our Apple Cider Giant donut came out. All right, here it is. I took the part of the pan off. Now we're just gonna flip it and put the cinnamon and sugar on it. I'm just taking a little knife here to make sure it comes off the bottom. We did grease it, so it should come off easily. But I do not want it to. Carefully. There we go, it came out. Awesome. And now I've got melted butter here, and I've got the brown sugar, cinnamon, and regular white sugar. All right, let's start with the butter. Put the butter on the top. And now you sprinkle on the cinnamon sugar. Put as much as you like. It'll be very tasty. Make sure you get as much as you want all over it. I would just put a lot on it. That makes it taste extra like fall. All right, friends. So that is how our giant apple cider donut came out. And don't forget, comment if you've tried this recipe. See you next time, Miss Julie's Virtual Preschool and Crafts. Thanks.